Welcome to GameList Plus. Today I am unboxing the AMVR RGB charging dock for Quest 3 and Quest 3S. I'm going to test it out and give you my first impression, so let's pop it open. I was actually really impressed at how quickly and easily putting this together was, and it even has directions on how you can break it down if you want to put it back in the box. It's honestly super quick and easy, and it's just a solid little device. I am thoroughly impressed by it. It looks great. I love the breathing, glowing bottom section. It's really nice looking. It's actually a lot brighter than I would have thought it would be, but it looks really great, and you can turn off the light if you want. I did test out the charging time. I plugged it into a 30-watt charger and plugged in the headset from completely dead, and I timed it. It took just about an hour and a half to charge from 0 all the way to 100%. Really great little device, looks really good on the shelf. I love that the controllers just pop right onto the base like they do and charge up individually with the little indicator lights on there. It's really nice. It's definitely a great little stand, and if you want to get one of your own, click the link in the description below and you'll support GameList Plus directly and get a little discount. That is the AMVR RGB charging dock for Quest 3 and Quest 3S. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Go try something new. I'll see you soon on GameList Plus.